Sorvaamo.
Yeah.
And this is the only staircase in this French building. This is in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi, Finland. And this one has 5 floors and built in early 2004. The serial number is 72275. The capacity is 630 grams. It's going to be inspected in 2023. It's 15 years old in 2019. Just one example of these.
Yeah. This is still better than with stainless steel cap.
True. This is not so bad. I can say the same thing about the Sokos Hotel Pavillonki, that they have design and they're not stainless steel walls, they're like real design walls, even though they're pale white in color, but still the design is better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This asustusyhtiö Jyväskylän kotisatama.
Yeah.
Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone.
And of course, I also hope to get to the Hotel Alexandra next time.
Yeah.
But the Neforenom also is coming up.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. I like those video reels.
Same here. That's